To Yardstyle live.
You know, going to Donabin Primary, you know, I used to make up songs on spot because my parents them never really have it. You see me? My father do farm work, and when him come back fresh, we have money for that time there. When him get steel back out and did it for a while.
Maybe show about again.
Yeah, for the money real. So during any time we have a slow time, you don't know, the music always keep up on a level. So I used to over Donabin, if two youth fight, I build up a song about the fight, and then if somebody want to hear the song, they have to pay me. So I would go to school without lunch money and come back with more money than even lunch money.
You know, that's very creative though.
Yes.
How the fight go with the first farmer them? Tell me how it go. If you want to hear,
Yeah.
it's a pay-per-view or
Yeah,
pay-per
man.
listen.
Yeah, man.
All right.
I mean, I give you the storyline from how the argument start till it get physical. So my story them ever. That's why up to now when you listen to my music, it's like a story.
No, you're- listen.
I'm a writer.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.